Phew! Our washing machine broke at the worst time.
This laundromat is so big and loud, Dad.
Yes. First, we need to get some coins. Most machines here only take coins to start.
Look at all those shiny coins.
Now, let's put our clothes on the table. We need to sort them before washing.
I want to wash my own clothes today.
Sure. You are a big boy now.
I have a small basket of my clothes.
Okay, let me teach you how to sort them first. Rule number 1. Always separate the clothes.
Why do we have to separate them?
We must separate light colors and dark colors. Look, these white shirts go into one pile, and these dark blue pants go into another pile.
What happens if we mix them, Dad?
The dark colors can bleed and ruin the white shirts.
I don't want a blue shirt. I understand.
Good. Now go load your small washer.
I will wash my white clothes first.
I will load the large main washer for our heavy clothes. We are a great team, Henry.
All my clothes are inside. Time for soap.
Wait, Henry, stop right there.
What is wrong? I am doing it.
First, did you check the pockets of your shorts?
Check the pockets? No, I forgot.
Always check your pockets before doing laundry.
Oh, I found a sticky candy.
See? That candy would ruin the whole wash. Second, you cannot pour the soap just anywhere.
Where does the soap go, Dad?
Let me show you the dispenser drawer.
Look at this pull-out dispenser drawer, Henry. It has 3 different compartments for different liquids.
What is the biggest one for?
The biggest one is for the regular laundry detergent.
This little flower symbol is for fabric softener, and the triangle symbol is for liquid bleach.
We only have detergent today, right?
Exactly. Only detergent for this load. If you use laundry piles, you throw them inside the drum.
Okay, I put the coins in.
Great. Push the start button. Now it is my turn. The big load. Eileen will be here soon. I need to hurry.
Dad, did you separate the darks?
Yes, these are mostly just our white shirts.
Did you check all the pockets?
Yes. I am an expert, Henry. There is nothing in there. Coins in, press start. Easy. See? I am very fast and efficient.
You are the laundry master, Dad.
William, wait! Did you start the machine?
Eileen? Yes, it is washing right now.
Mom ran very fast.
Tell me you checked the pockets before washing my clothes.
Check the pockets? I checked Henry's.
There is a very important receipt in my blue pants. If it gets wet, it will be completely destroyed.
Oh no! The water is already inside.
Don't panic. I will pause the machine right now. I just need to press the stop button and wait. The door is locked. We have to wait a minute.
Please open. Quickly. Please.
It's unlocked. Open the door.
Help me find my blue
so wet and heavy. I found it! The blue pants!
Give it to me. Let me check the pocket. Oh, thank goodness. The receipt is in a plastic bag. It is completely dry and safe.
Phew, that was a close call.
William, you must always check the pockets.
Dad just taught me that rule.
I know. I rushed.
William, what is this bright red sock doing here?
Oh no, that is Henry's new soccer sock.
You washed a red sock with our white shirts? Didn't you just teach Henry to separate light and dark colors?
I thought I sorted everything perfectly.
Look at your white t-shirt. It is turning pink.
Dad's favorite shirt is pink now. I like pink. It is very pretty.
Dark colors bleed in the water. It ruined the whites.
I am so embarrassed.
Well, it is too late now. Just restart the machine.
We are going to have a lot of pink clothes. The wash cycle is finally done. Let's put the wet clothes in this rolling laundry cart.
They are so heavy now, Dad.
Wet clothes hold a lot of water. Be careful.
We need a big dryer for all these clothes.
Look! The big dryers are full.
Let me check. This one is stopped, but there are still dry clothes inside the machine.
What do we do now, Mom?
You have to find the owner and ask politely.
All right, I will go ask that man. Excuse me, sir. Sorry to bother you.
Yes? Can I help you?
Are you using the big dryer in the corner?
Oh, yes. I think my cycle just finished.
Could you please empty the machine? We are waiting.
Of course. I completely lost track of time. My apologies.
No problem at all. Take your time.
It's all yours now. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Great job, William. That was very polite.
Now we can finally dry our pink clothes.
Let me help you put them in.
Okay, let's put everything in and press high heat.
Stop right there. You cannot put everything on high heat.
Why not? It dries faster.
Because some clothes will shrink if the heat is too high. Always check the care label on the clothes first.
What does my shirt label say?
Your cotton shirt says, machine wash cold. If we use high heat, it will become a baby shirt.
Oh no! I don't want a tiny shirt.
What about the heavy bath towels?
Towels and thick pants can use high heat. So we put shirts in this dryer on low heat.
And towels in the other dryer on high heat.
Exactly. Now we can insert the coins.
Push the button, Dad.
The clothes are finally dry and warm.
Let's fold them neatly on this folding table.
Look at my shirt. It is perfectly pink.
I think the pink color looks good on you, Henry.
I want a pink shirt too.
Well, thanks to Dad, almost everything is pink now.
I learned a very big lesson today. I will never forget to check the pockets again.
And you will never mix red socks with white shirts again.
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
I can fold my own pants, Mom.
Good job, honey. Put them in the basket.
Let's carry our clean laundry home, team. Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Using a public laundromat can be a little confusing.
But once you know how the machines work, it is very easy.
Remember the 3 compartments for detergent, softener, and bleach.
And don't be afraid to talk to people if you need a machine. Just be polite and say, "Excuse me."
But the most important rule is to check your pockets and separate the colors.
Yes, or you will have a pink wardrobe like me. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn
for more stories. See you next time.